Wait till it burns a little bit.
Get back.
Holy cow. Oh, that's the other one burning. Stay back.
Yeah,
it's got a big boom in it too.
I think that other one was on the ground just shooting out.
No, don't you see the flame squirting out of the top of something? I'm kind of scared, you know. I don't know where that little...
I know it's probably going to melt the PVC
and then just burn out.
That was a pretty loud one, dude.
Well, that's pretty loud.
That was about as loud as our oxyacetylene, wasn't it?
Right.
Okay. Bye, accomplice.
Did you zoom in and then play it?
Yeah, dude.
Shoot, I didn't.
Are you still playing yours?
It's off.
Should we go check it out?
Nope.
Nope.
I'm going inside, man. I don't know if you